Nestling in the fields, welcome to Haugesund. The shuttle bus will take about 5 minutes and drop you outside the church, but it's only a 20-minute walk if you want to walk in. This road is where you'll find the bus stop. It's just along here. We're going to the Viking farm, so we want bus number 209 or 210, and you can just pay on the bus. The bus was about £3.50. It dropped us off here at the roundabout. We're turning left, and apparently then we'll see it. So we got off at this bus stop, we came under the road, turned left at the roundabout, just keep going up the road and you'll see the church. St Olav's Church is under reconstruction. There is, though, a great view of the bridge and Haugesund, and it's a great walk anyway. When the reconstruction is finished, it will be magnificent. Interestingly, many of the stoneworkers and masons worked on Westminster Abbey. Over there you can see the wall of the church, so you can see how close it is.
Quite a lot of it is still covered up, and that's to prevent growth. Because you can see that some of the lilies.
These ruins are from the tower, and just over there is the entrance that comes into the tower and the royal manor. So tourists aren't allowed in here at the moment, but the plan is to make it into a medieval park. And when you think about Norway and the fact that most of the buildings are made from wood, the fact that this is all made from stone is quite incredible and shows wealth and power. This is the Historic Centre, and you start off with a film and then you do your tour. And there's also a gift shop where you can buy Viking clothes, helmets, should you so desire. King Fairhair invites visitors to join him as he tells the story of the princes and the kings who ruled for more than 3,000 years. This is a museum you walk through with your audio guide. Avaldsnes Farm and Museum is worth a visit. It's modern and interactive and tells of the history of the Vikings. Once you have seen the museum, you might want to trek down to the farm and see how they lived in times long ago. The Viking farm is quite a long walk from St Olav's Church, and it's steep, so just be aware of that. It's over that bridge, if you can see that in the distance. Well, Ragnar, I think I'd need an inside toilet. You can really imagine what it was like when the Vikings lived here.
Well, this house here is going to be a storage house for boats and for other stuff we need.
Right.
It's going to be built in old technique, but it's going to be for modern stuff inside. Yes, and we also have they had to fix the yard here and also the road, so it's a lot of things to do. But the house is soon finished.
So maybe the next cruise.
Yes, we hope that in 2 weeks this is totally nice and new roof. So it's only in the season, in the summertime, we have 2 months with more Vikings living here and have games and activities to do. So for the groups in the winter and the other seasons, it's one guide meeting people. And these houses are used for the school camp that's here, that's trying to live the Viking way and learn how the Vikings lived.
This is the bus stop for home. We can get the 209 or the 210. Just remember that the Viking farm is right behind Nellie's Cafe, about a kilometre. Marilyn Monroe might surprise you in our main orientation film on Haugesund.